So I'm going to show you today how to make your own roll-on using essential oils for if you are having hormonal hot flushes. So what I'm going to use are basil essential oil, which is there, and clary sage essential oil, and I'm going to mix it with sweet almond oil of clary sage and basil, just for your information. So clary sage is used in aromatherapy applications, and it has sedative abilities that induce feelings of relaxation, clarity and calmness while alleviating dizziness, anxiety and irritability. It is also known to stimulate libido in both men and women. And basil is reputed to stimulate, clarify, calm, fortify, energise and uplift the mind. It is also said to repel insects, eliminate odour-causing bacteria, soothe headaches, which is quite good because I've got a splitting headache at the moment, so I'll let you know how it works, and relieve respiratory as well as digestive discomforts. So I'm just going to show you how to make it now. Sweet almond oil as the base oil, and I'm Anne-Marie Pearman. So this is coming up quite slowly because I think it's running out, so but I'm going to use 18 drops. Sage. This is the finished article. So it's that size. So you do it like that, aren't you, I think? And get a screw top thing like that. And I've got a bit of a headache, so I'm going to put it on my head. It's supposed to help the headaches. And it's predominantly clary sage, so when I've got a hot flush, I just put it on my pulse points, mainly on my throat. And I've run out of basil, but in some ways I'm quite glad I've run out of basil because clary sage actually smells a lot nicer than the basil. So anyway, there you go. Clary sage and basil, predominantly clary sage because I run out of basil, but there you go. I'm Anne-Marie. I hope you enjoyed that video and I'll see you soon. Bye.